Welcome to my Web3 and blockchain series. In this video, we are going to create a basic decentralized app and a basic project that we will be using in our upcoming videos and exercises. We will install the environment, different packages, and set the environment for our app and Web3 exercises. We will also do some practice examples and try to make a comprehensive understanding of Web3 and blockchain. So let's start. First of all, create a Web3 directory, a Web3 project. After that, we are going to install a few things. If you are a Windows user, you will go to Node.js.org website and install the Node.js from there. If you are a Linux user, you can just use simple commands that you can run and install the necessary packages and libraries. I am going to use Linux for now, but if you need the same demos for Windows, I can provide on your request. Let's start installing the Node.js. First of all, you need to initialize some environment stuff. So we will write npm init-y and press enter. So it has created a package.json in our project. Here it has index.json as a main script to be run in its project. Next, we need to install configure Vite. Vite is basically local server that we can use to deploy our app, or we can see our dApps running in our local environment. We will be using this, so let's create that one as well. npm I Vite ethers. It is installing. So Vite has been installed, and you can see in our main project it has created a folder node_modules, and it has package log.json and package.json file as well. We will be using this base project in our future exercises, so this is just a basic. You can set up your environment accordingly. Now I will just give you a small demo of creating a simple HTML page. So you can create a new file, call it as index.html, and you can write some content in this doc type. I will just keep the header as, I will say it, heading 1, welcome to my page, body end tag for HTML and end tag for HTML. That's it. So this is just a simple page that I created. I can change the welcome to my Web3 and blockchain series. Now we just need to run this to see our first decentralized app or page. For that, you can just simple npm run dev, and it has been run. You can copy this address and open in your browser. So here is my first dApp with index.html having just one heading. In this way, we will move on this project for our upcoming exercises. Keep practicing, and if you have any questions, just comment. I will respond over there. Thank you.